Principal holy places of Bharat. Sri Guru lived in Arogya Bhavani secretly because many persons approached him at any time. These included the good, the bad, honest and dishonest, cunning, rich, poor, deceased men of all castes, cults, sects, and ages. Parashuram killed Kartigeya Arjuna and gave the earth in charity to the Brahmins. Still, the Brahmins approached him and asked for more. So Parashuram lived in the sea secretly. Similarly, Sri Guru sent all his disciples on pilgrimage and himself lived secretly. The disciples asked Gurudev, "Why are you indifferent with us? Vedas and Shastras say that all the holy places are at thy feet. When Kalpataru is near us, why should we go elsewhere?" Sri Guru, as you are sannyasis, you should visit different holy places and make your mind firm. I shall go to Sri Shaila in Bandudanya Sanvasta. You should come and see me there. The disciples, one disobeying the Sri Guru, has to go to hell. So we go to the holy places as per your instructions. But kindly tell us which places we should go. Sri Guru, Kasi is a famous holy place on earth. It is on the bank of Bhagirathi, Ganga. You travel 60 yojans. Yojan is 2 miles by its bank and observe 60 Krishna Prayachitas. Then go to Prayag, Allahabad, and observe 120 Krishyas. There are 25 gram town on the bank of Yamuna and 40 on the bank of Saraswati. Take bath in the river daily. This is like performing a sacrifice. One attains Brahma in the end. Travel by the tank of rivers as Varuna, Pushravati, Krishnaveni, Vitasta, Sahasrati, Marudvida, Asikini, Madhumadi, Payasvini, Rivati, Dionadi, etc. At every place take bath and prayashita. Even sin of Brahmatya is wiped off. Travel by the banks of Chandrabhaga, Revati, Sharyu, Gautami, Vedika, Kaushiki, Mandakini, Vakra, Purna Pahuda, Aruna. Bath at a Sangam confluence of rivers is like that of Prayag. There are other holy places as Pushkar, Vairochani, Valgu, Tirthagaya, Sedubanda, Rameshwar, Srirangam, Batmat, Purushottam, Nemishraya, Badri Narayana, Kurukeshtra, Sri Shaila, Prithu, Tirth, Kedar, Koti, Narmada, Matrukeshwar, Kunj, Kokamukhi, Prabhas, Kokarna, Sankarna, Ayodhya, Mahurta, Madura, Kanchi, Dwarka, Gaya, Shaligram, and Shambalgram are the 7 cities giving liberation. Traveling by the bank of Godavari gives fruit of doing Vashpeja sacrifice. Visit Bhishmeshwar, Vajra, Sangam, and Kush. Travel by the bank of Purna, Krishnaveni, Tungabhadra, Bhima. Visit Pampa, Saroval, Amraja, and in the north is Varanasi. In the east are Pabivashi, Rudraprat, Chakratirth, Keshodev, Vinayar, Kohil, Mammat, Kalshwa, Sri Varada, Malprabhu Sangam, and Nivritri Sangam. When the Guru, Jupiter, is in the Sinha, Leo, all the rivers have union with Bhagirathi. When Guru is in Kanya, Vipro, Bhagirathi comes in Krishna. Have bath in Patal Ganga and see Mallikarjuna. Baths at Kaveri Sangam, Payasvini, and Baba Bhavanashi are vicious. See places like Samundrakanda, Sheshatri, Sri Rangam, Padmanabha, Srimad Anand, Trimala, Kumbakonam, Kanyakumari, Mashyatit, Prakishtit, Rameshwar, Dhanushkodi, Mahalakshmi at Kohalpur, Mahabaleshwar, origin of Krishna, Bahe, Narashim Dev at Kolegan, Bhuvaneshwari at Bilawadi, Shupali, Shahya Bhagavati, Vishwamitra's place, Sweta String, Twins, Krins flows northwards, Kalyan, etc. A river is said to be in menses when she gets new rain water, and so bath in the river is not desirable on that day. All disciples then bowed to Sri Guru and departed for visiting the various holy places.